Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the canvas and tools. Enable Scribble in settings if available, or pick a capacitive stylus if not. Once done, open Notes or your PDF app and select a pen or marker preset. Make sure pressure and thickness are set to a visible level. Tap to wake the screen, then try short test strokes near the corner to confirm responsiveness. If lines lag, close background apps and reduce brush complexity. This makes the first actionable marks crisp, and now refine how you draw. Adjust brush size and smoothing to suit fingertip dynamics because thinner brushes amplify jitter. You should use palm rejection, rest your hand lightly and move from the elbow for steadier strokes. Once comfortable, employ gesture shortcuts built into the app. Scratch out to erase, two-finger tap to undo, and hold a finger to add a node. These gestures speed editing. Also zoom in for precision, then zoom back out to maintain composition and flow. Finish by cleaning up and saving. Erase stray marks, use lasso to tidy shapes, then export as PDF or PNG and sync with iCloud. If you encounter lag or drop strokes, quit the app, toggle Scribble off and on, and reduce brush smoothing. These steps often restore responsiveness. If accuracy drifts, wipe the screen and check stylus tip condition or recalibrate any third-party stylus. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the iPad if problems persist. This clears temporary input conflicts and usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.